Hello and hi guys, welcome back to DTS, the Tech Studio. And in this video, we'll be reviewing the JBL GO 3, covering all technical specifications, details, and of course the sound test. Let's go check out the JBL GO 3.
So let's start off with an overview. Overall, as you can see, the design is completely revamped. The entire structure of the speaker is mainly fabric and silicone based, feeling more sort of rugged. Plus, with this additional textured silicone base on the back and some additional grip on the bottom too. The early ancestors of the JBL GO 3 had a lighter feel silicone rubber finish with a metal mesh net. Here, you get the JBL logo with a rubber finish on the fabric, whereas in the earlier versions, it was printed on the net. The arrangement and design of the buttons have been changed. The power and Bluetooth pairing buttons are now accessible on the right side of the speaker along with a small LED indicator. On the left side, you will find the Type-C port as it charges via USB Type-C, whereas the older ones used to charge with standard micro USB. This guy also has a small rugged band which would be really useful while on the go. Coming to the top of the speaker, we only get 3 buttons consisting of 2 volume up and down buttons and a play pause button. Well, if you're wondering what's missing, it's certainly the call answering button. Yep, the JBL GO 3 does not have an inbuilt microphone, whereas the earlier versions had it. That means that you cannot answer calls directly from the speaker now. Plus, it also does not have an aux port. Yes, JBL removed it. Now speaking of connectivity, the GO 3 operates on the Bluetooth version 5.1 and claims up to 5 hours of playback time on a single charge. The speaker is rated IP67 waterproof and dustproof, which I not advise at all to try out. If you want to know why, tap here to check out my other video in which I have discussed quite some issues regarding waterproofing. Well, by the way, I really doubt this thing's waterproofing. As you see, the Type-C charging port has no protection. Now let's move on to the sound test.
Coming to a conclusion, which is basically my opinion, after using the speaker for around 2 months, I'd say that it's quite a decent deal for its price. It's nice and premium and has a fresh new look. They've certainly improved the bass, and the sound quality is just the original. But those were the pros. The cons are that there is no aux port and microphone, whereas the earlier ones did have it. I also felt that it has a slightly lesser volume than the previous ones. Don't know why, but it does seem like that. So that's it. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you guys in another video. Till then,